These waffles are so light and fluffy, no one will believe they're paleo. Perfectly golden and irresistibly delicious, they're a game changer for your breakfast table. What's the secret? We're using cassava flour, one of the best paleo-friendly flours that mimics the taste and texture of wheat flour. And guess what? It's gluten-free and has slightly fewer carbs than wheat flour, making it perfect for a healthy indulgence. We'll also add a touch of vinegar to activate the baking soda and baking powder. This step isn't strictly necessary, but it ensures your waffles are light and airy. And here's another pro tip. Whipping the egg whites separately is what makes these waffles irresistibly fluffy. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Let's get started. First, preheat your waffle iron so it's ready to go when your batter is. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. 1 cup of cassava flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk until everything is evenly mixed. Now separate your eggs. Beat the yolks and add 3/4 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of cane sugar or honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until you have a smooth batter. If it feels too thick, add a little more almond milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. In a separate clean bowl, whip the egg whites until soft peaks form. This step is essential for giving your waffles that light and airy texture. Now, gently fold the whipped egg whites into your batter. Take your time and fold carefully to keep the airiness intact. Grease your waffle iron with a bit of oil, pour in the batter, and cook according to your waffle iron's instructions. The vinegar will react with the baking soda, helping your waffles rise and achieve that perfect texture. Serve these golden waffles with your favorite toppings, fresh berries, maple syrup, or even a dollop of coconut cream. And there you have it, dairy-free, gluten-free paleo waffles. Try this recipe and let us know in the comments if these waffles fooled your friends into thinking they're not paleo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.